Have you ever moved to a new home and your plants just didn't make it? They looked fine before the move, but a few days later, yellow leaves, droopy stems, lifeless. That's not bad luck. That's plant stress. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love your plants and never want to lose them again, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next plant care videos. First, water your plants 2 days before the move, not on the same day. This keeps the soil slightly moist, but not heavy or soggy, so the roots won't get damaged during transport. Second, prune any long or weak stems. They often break during movement and cause extra stress. Third, wrap the pot with plastic or a soft cloth. It prevents soil from spilling and keeps the root zone stable. And if you have large plants, like fiddle leaf figs or monsteras, pack them in boxes or tie them loosely to protect the leaves. Never leave your plants in a hot car or under direct sun. Heat builds up fast and burns the leaves. Keep them in a cool, shaded place. If it's a long trip, mist the leaves lightly to keep humidity. When you reach your new home, don't rush to place them by a sunny window. Let them rest for a few days in bright but indirect light. Avoid watering too much at first. Their roots are sensitive and still adjusting. You can use a small amount of B-complex or amino acid solution. These help reduce transplant shock and boost recovery. And please, no fertilizer for the first week. Give your plants time to settle in. Most plants don't die because of the move itself. They die because they were stressed and dehydrated. If this has ever happened to your plants, hit the like button right now so we know we're not alone. What's the longest trip your plants have ever survived? Tell me in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your plant-loving friends. May all your green babies stay happy and stress-free, no matter where you move.